Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Bubs, also known as Bubsbee, and this is going to be a full wash day. From washing to styling using all Melanin Hair Care hair products. She finally has a complete wash day lineup, so I wanted to come to you guys with my full and honest review of Coarse. You guys know, all right? I have previous videos going in detail about each product, so definitely check those out. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's just hop right in. So I'm first going to saturate my hair with water before applying the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. My hair is now soaking wet, it's dripping. I want to mention that my hair is not too dirty and it's not too dry. I didn't want to come on here with my hair pre-pooed and then go on with the shampoo because I would be doing the shampoo a disservice as well as you guys. I really want to see the cleansing power of the shampoo by itself. Okay, she's thicker, she's very thick. She's a thick shampoo. Smells just like peppermint, which I really like that. Okay, we wash all the hair over here, okay? Not just the scalp. This is like a bubble bath. The lather is incredible. Can you guys hear that? Oh yeah, she's stripped. She's stripped. Like my hand is getting stuck, like. So I did a second cleanse and hair is stripped, but it's African Black Soap. That's what African Black Soap does. African Black Soap is more of a cleansing, stripping shampoo for me. But if you like a really good cleanser, this is going to be great. This will last you a very long time. If you like stripping shampoos, you're gonna love this. If you don't like stripping shampoos, but you wanna incorporate the shampoo, I say use this once a month and make sure you do pre-poo your hair prior to using this. Okay, so now that my hair is really cleansed, which I personally love, I'm now going to follow up with the leave-in conditioner. If you haven't checked out my previous reviews using the leave-in conditioner, you need to check it out, but you can use this leave-in conditioner for so many different ways, and today I'm just going to use it as a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to pump a generous amount. I love it. I love the smell of this product. It smells just like spearmint gum. Okay. See, the shampoo didn't strip my hair to the point where this conditioner isn't doing work. I mean, the conditioner is working and my hair doesn't feel as stripped anymore. Taking a couple more pumps. I need a lot. I'm actually going to use the oil as well, the multi-use oil, to add more moisture. See these tops? Not too much. Now I'm just gonna slowly like smooth this in my hair just to ensure that I'm getting all the product everywhere. And do a light finger detangle. Okay, so I'm gonna apply 2 shower caps. And I'm going to apply a towel as well. So now we're going to let this product work while I take a shower. I'll be back. It's been about, I would say 15-20 minutes. Okay. My hair feels really soft. I think for me to feel even more moisture, I really need to use some steam and steam this in, but I ain't got time for that. Because you can use the leave-in conditioner so many different ways, I'm actually just gonna rinse some of the product out and just leave some in, and then we can go in with the twisting cream and the oil. Like I said, if you wanna see a thorough review, like in detail about each product, definitely check out my previous reviews. This is not that video. This video is just to see all the products at work at one time. All right, now I'm just going to quickly put my hair in some jumbo twists. So voiceover Antoinette is now back, and I am actually sorry that I don't have too much footage, but I was in the bed styling my hair and I totally forgot I was supposed to be recording it. So here we are with my last section. I'm doing very jumbo braids because I really want a fluffy braid out. So I'm first going to saturate that section with some water. Now I'm going in with their Twist Elongating Style Cream. I just popped open my second jar, so that tells you how much I really enjoy this product because it's so moisturizing. It's a thick, heavier butter, and my hair really likes it. After I have smoothed that in and detangled my hair some, I'm then going to seal it in with their multi-use pure oil blend. When I purchased the shampoo, I actually was going to purchase another oil blend because I really enjoy this oil blend. I use this on my face, I use this on my body, of course in my hair, and also on my kids' hair, and I like how light it is and how well it seals the moisture in. Once that is done, I'm going to detangle my hair further just to ensure the section is really smooth. Because I'm doing such chunky braids, I really want to get some definition. So now I am done braiding all over. I have about 12, maybe 13 braids, and I'm ready to let this product set. But before I do that, I am gonna blot some product off. This just ensures that my hair will dry sooner than later. So this is about 3, maybe 4 days later. I don't know. I was enjoying having these braids in my head and just leaving my hair alone. So now I'm just taking that oil blend and I'm going to start to unravel the braids. But first, I actually am gonna apply this oil on my scalp. I did notice that after a couple of days, my scalp was feeling really dry. So the shampoo definitely cleansed. I mean, it took everything off my hair and scalp, and my hair needed a little push. Okay, it needed a little bit of lubrication because I do suffer from dry scalp. It takes a little while for my own sebum to coat my scalp well, so the oil definitely helped and soothed the irritation immediately. As I am unraveling the braids, my hair is really fluffy. My hair is still very soft. Even after leaving these braids in for a while, I have shine. My hair is very, very fluffy. It's bouncy. It looks really good. I'm just amazed that I still have moisture. I was really nervous after using the shampoo that my hair was not going to be moisturized over the course of a couple of days, but it was. I mean, the whole collection worked. After separating, I'm now gonna fluff, and you can see I can easily take this pick through the whole section if I wanted to. That's how soft and moisturized my hair is. And these are my finished results, guys, using the full Melanin Hair Care Wash Day products. I have to say, I'm impressed. The shampoo is a great one. The conditioner is really good. The conditioner and shampoo is definitely a great pairing. I think they work really well. Even though the shampoo is clarifying and deep cleansing, the conditioner definitely replenished back the moisture, and my hair felt uber soft. This wash day was a success. I definitely enjoyed it. My hair is so big, voluminous. It lasted for days, the moisture. I mean, she did that. I have to say, I am waiting for her next product, and I have a feeling that it may be a styling gel, probably with flax seeds next. So whenever she does drop it, I'm probably going to be right there purchasing, because so far I have loved every product I have used from her. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Let me know, have you tried her products out? Have you been thinking about purchasing them? They are now being sold in Ulta, so now you guys don't have an excuse about shipping, okay? There's no excuse now if you want to pick something up. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments area, and I'll see you guys in the next one.